It's May 5th, about 6 p.m. I'm beginning to hear a war drum in my left ear. The left side is the flesh. I don't know what's going on in the world, don't have internet, no cell service. It seems to me God is giving me something special with my hearing. Okay, I had that chirping noise, and the Holy Spirit was saying, sing, Mark. Sing your song of decrees for the end. As soon as I did and I posted it, God healed my hearing. I've been deaf 15 years. Go figure. Before that, a week before the Israeli war started, I was hearing like C-130 on a tarmac, like its engine just running. Okay, and I've been to Iraq, Afghanistan, served with the military as a civilian contractor. I know what it sounds like. I spent a lot of time on the flight line. And then a week later, bam, the war started. Immediately, I started hearing a generator, and that went on for like a week or two. On and off, on and off. And of course, generators are a big part of that war and Gaza and all that. Now I'm hearing this war drum. I don't. It's my left ear. Boom, boom. It's coming and going. I just wanted to make a note of it. You know, I'm gonna pray about it. Look, I'm not sure what it is. It sounds like some sort of war drum to me. So I'm gonna bring it in prayer. See what happens here. I just wanted to mention one more thing, and I don't know how I didn't say this. I heard God's heartbeat, really loud, whoosh whoosh, whoosh whoosh. Right? That it was after I announced the cure for cancer. It's like a week or two after that. It was really loud. It was about 30 seconds. I don't know, 12, 15 heartbeats, something like that. So I just want. God's really doing something special with my hearing, and now this drum beat being on the left side, I'm thinking. I mean, I know we got a spiritual war going on, but I think something physical is going on. Some sort of ramp up of war. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna put this out, especially if this continues for like another couple hours. I'm meant to make a trip down to Walmart with my last quarter tank of gas and put this video out. Hey, if you see this video, make some preparations. I'm serious. I don't know what's going on with my hearing. It seems to be prophetic. I got no control over it. I'm telling you. Do what you want. I'm just trying to keep my conscience clear before God and you. It's May 8th. It's about 1 o'clock. Strange things have happened the last 18 hours. Been hearing war drums in my left ear. And just now, I think the Lord showed me something. We're just gonna have to wait and find out. 8 days. See what happens in 8 days. Today's the 6th. I think we have some sort of judgment coming on America. Blood, death. We'll see. I hope I'm wrong. I hope I'm wrong. That would be, oh boy, the 14th. We'll see. The smoke of a furnace, fire, flame, a sacrifice between a people that are the same, have the same body, divided. 8 days? Birds eating the corpses. Oh my Lord. I wonder if it's the Vatican. I wonder if it's a basilica. One body blown apart, maybe. The smoke of a furnace, fire, flame. What happened was really weird. Man, I wonder if this is it. I wonder if it's a warning from the Lord. I don't know what for. I mean, I know it's going to happen, but man, it was pretty weird what happened. You don't need to know. Just thought of something. So, 8 days from now, if it is the Vatican, it'd be 21 days until 27 Lyar, the exact 2000th year since Jesus ascended into heaven, according to the 364 day. It was only 24 days between the temple of the Father being destroyed and the whole Jerusalem being burnt to the ground. I don't think there'll be many more days. That's like 6 seconds to God. So 21 days, 7 times 3 is 21. 6 times 4, 20. Yeah, I mean, it's almost like the same amount of time. That's really interesting. Wow. I hope for a lot of people's sake I'm wrong. Could be something else. Could be something to do with America. I don't know. Back to prayer.